Polytune clip is the outcome of an obsession to create not only the best Polytune we've ever made, but the absolutely best clip-on tuner by any measure. Polytune clip was developed without compromise to perfectly complement your precious instrument in both function and design, and it represents the absolute pinnacle in tuning technology. The design of Polytune clip is a seamless blend of function and form. The highly durable stainless steel clip has been sandblasted to provide optimum grip. 2 custom-designed rubber pads and an industrial strength spring secure that Polytune clip stays on your instrument without ever damaging the finish. Satisfied with nothing short of perfect, we even created our own custom resin for Polytune clip's polycarbonate enclosure to make sure we match the color of the original Polytune pedal. At the heart of any tuner is the display. Polytune clip feature an astounding array of 105 high-power LEDs, much brighter than the original Polytune pedal, and fitted onto an area that's 25% smaller. In order to make sure Polytune clip adapts to your needs and not the other way around, the display automatically tilts depending on where you set it. This means Polytune clip can be used both in front and behind the headstock, as well as on left and right-handed guitars. The original Polytune pedal was an incredible engineering feat and a paradigm shift in tuning technology. The pedal won numerous awards and got rave reviews and accolades from some of the greatest guitar players in the world. Being able to quickly strum and see the pitch of all the strings at once is so much more intuitive, not to mention time-saving. Polytune clip features a brand new version of our patented polyphonic tuning algorithm. A version that's been tweaked and tested more rigorously than any previous version. It just plain works. There might still be times when you want to use a regular chromatic tuner. To solve this, we created Monopoly, which, as futuristic as it may sound, is a small neural network inside every Polytune that can detect whether a signal is monophonic or polyphonic and seamlessly switch between the 2 tuning modes. Response and sustain is essential to any tuner. That's why we've created a hybrid analog-digital solution where we pass the input signal to one of 2 AD converters. Using intelligent software, Polytune clip automatically switches between the 2 converters depending on the loudness of the signal. The result is a lightning-fast response and unparalleled sustain and tracking, even on the low B string of bass guitars. When your goal is to make the best tuner, it obviously also has to be the most precise. Polytune clip feature a true strobe tuner algorithm that, coupled with a high-precision crystal, yield a mind-boggling 0.02 cent accuracy. From the birth of the original Polytune pedal, we wanted to create Polytune clip, but we didn't want to develop it until we could make it truly great. Using a brand new state-of-the-art ARM processor, we are now finally able to run the complex Polytune algorithm in a DSP small and powerful enough to fit into the strict size requirements of a clip-on tuner. It's hard to believe that a product so small and seemingly simple took one of the biggest and most challenging engineering efforts in TC history. But the small size of Polytune clip required that we had to use brand new and never before tried technologies. To fit all the components onto Polytune clip's minuscule PCB, which is only a tenth the size of a Polytune pedal PCB, we had to use a 6-layer high-density interconnect PCB with laser drilling technology. The power consumption has been optimized to the point where Polytune clip uses less than 4% of a Polytune pedal, without any compromise on quality. In fact, Polytune clip actually surpasses all previous Polytunes for tracking, accuracy and response time. When we set out on this challenging journey more than 2 years ago, the goal was to create a tuner that was better in every way. A product where design, functionality, technology and usability form an almost organic symbiosis with your instrument. The result of this uncompromising ambition is Polytune clip, and we believe it sets a new standard for guitar tuners.